Yeah, MMS in the ears is a strong treatment, but my treatment for the external ear infection is alcohol. It's just so much better. You lie on the side, you put rubbing alcohol in there, wait 5 minutes, it kills everything. And just one application will usually fix anything that's been going on there. People that have really sensitive ears, like I do, because every time I have a shower, my ear fills up with water, the way my shape is. And so I have to put a little bit alcohol in there every time I shower to not get a mold or yeast infection in my ears. And so, but that's superior to MMS. It's less toxic or less aggressive, but has an even wider effect. There's no mold that survives rubbing alcohol. That's Everclear is better if you can get that.